Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Paracord Loom is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding tools for anyone looking to dive into the world of paracord crafting, allowing you to effortlessly create everything from survival bracelets and keychains to pet collars and decorative items with precision and consistency, transforming a complex weaving process into an enjoyable and accessible hobby for crafters of all skill levels. Number 5. PSKOOK Paracord Bracelet Jig Kit, Army Green. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start your paracord projects. It includes a jig, paracords, needles, buckles, and more, ensuring you have all the essentials at hand. Its innovative design allows you to create perfect bracelets, lanyards, and various other crafts. This makes it an incredibly useful tool for all your DIY projects. This multifunctional jig can be adjusted from 4 to over 14 inches using its simple sliding rod system. You can easily accommodate any project size by just sliding its components with your fingers. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it ensures longevity and reliability. The 4 rubber feet and 2 gel pads keep it firmly in place, providing stability as you braid. Your satisfaction is our highest priority, so you can purchase with confidence. If you have any questions or are not completely happy, please contact us anytime via Amazon message. What we like. This one stands out as a complete kit, offering everything you need to start right away. Its versatile design allows for various projects beyond just bracelets. If you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one package with great flexibility, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Catcan 2-in-1 Paracord Bracelet Jig. Discover the ultimate tool for your DIY projects. This versatile jig makes creating paracord items simple and enjoyable. It's not just for bracelets. You can craft belts, lanyards, keychains, and many other practical items with this one device. Constructed from heavy-duty, powder-coated stainless steel, it offers superior stability. Unlike wooden alternatives, this jig features rubber feet to keep it firmly in place. Easily adjust its length to create items from 4 to 13 inches. This allows you to experiment with various buckle styles and sizes effortlessly. Equipped with 4 rubber feet and 2 sticky gel pads, it prevents sliding and wobbling. This ensures your work surface remains protected and your crafting experience is smooth. Your purchase includes the adjustable jig, braided ropes, fastening buckles, gel pads, rods, and a carabiner. Everything you need to start creating is right in the box. What we like. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel, this jig offers superior durability and stability. It's designed for wide applications, from bracelets to belts and lanyards. If you prioritize a robust, long-lasting tool that won't budge during crafting, this option is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Afantti Paracord Jig Tool Bracelet Maker Kit. Crafted from natural wood, this jig tool is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. It even comes with a convenient storage box, making it easy to keep organized. Its adjustable length range, from 7.8 to 13.8 inches, allows you to create bracelets of various sizes. This versatility ensures you can make custom pieces for anyone. The kit includes 10 colorful and durable paracords, along with 10 buckles. These high-quality materials provide everything you need to start crafting immediately. Using it is incredibly simple. Just measure your wrist, hook on a buckle, and you're ready to start braiding. It makes crafting accessible for everyone. Beyond bracelets, this tool can be used to create watch straps, keychains, and more. Its applications are wide, limited only by your imagination. What we like. This jig is crafted from natural wood, giving it a classic and eco-friendly feel, and comes with a convenient storage box. It includes 10 colorful paracords and buckles, making it ready for immediate use. If you appreciate natural materials and want a kit with plenty of supplies for creative projects, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 2. ACKEIVTO Adjustable Paracord Jig Bracelet Maker. Introducing the perfect tool to simplify your paracord projects. This innovative jig makes creating beautiful bracelets easier than ever before. Crafted from natural wood, this tool is not only durable but also safe for all users. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. Designed to be strong and well-crafted, it offers adjustable length for various projects. You'll appreciate its thoughtful engineering and ease of use. Say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to effortless crafting. This kit helps you weave intricate designs with precision and confidence. Beyond just crafting, using this tool can help you develop fine motor skills and patience. It's a rewarding way to engage your mind and hands. What we like. Made from natural wood, this jig is not only sturdy but also promotes skill development and patience. Its strong and adjustable frame ensures a comfortable crafting experience. If you're looking for a durable, traditional wooden jig that can also help hone your crafting abilities, this one is a great fit. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in a source JSON to get relevant points. Number 1. Afantti Paracord Jig Loom. Introducing the Afantti Paracord Jig Loom. This light, adjustable, and well-crafted tool makes creating fun and simple for everyone. It's perfect for both kids and adults to enjoy. This loom is designed for ultimate convenience. Its colorful and easy-to-use nature means you can take it anywhere. Just suction it down to any non-porous surface for a strong, stable hold. With this versatile tool, your creativity knows no bounds. You can easily craft beautiful bracelets, stylish necklaces, unique keychains, and so much more. It's an ideal way to personalize your accessories. Each set comes complete with one loom, 3 suction cups for stability, and a generous supply of 12 rainbow-colored and patterned 550 paracords. You'll also receive 12 3/8 buckles to finish your projects. This jig expands up to 12 inches, allowing you to easily customize bracelets for any wrist size. You can even create extra-long designs for fashionable wrap bracelets. It ensures a perfect fit for everyone. It's fantastic for a wide range of activities, from scouting projects and knot tying to creating friendship bracelets at parties. Bring it along for road trips, family events, or simply enjoy crafting at home. This tool makes every moment more engaging. What we like. This jig is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for crafting on the go. Its unique suction cup design allows for a strong hold on any non-porous surface. If you need a travel-friendly option that's easy for kids and adults alike, this colorful and convenient loom is your best bet. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.